If you have watched any of my previous videos on headphones, well, I'm sorry you lost a few minutes of your life, but hey, we all make mistakes. But you may know that I was on the lookout for the most comfortable over-ear headphones for quite a while now. And after many disappointments, I think I finally found one. I never thought it would be from a company like this. Edifier is a brand which is well known for making audio equipment, but it hasn't really taken off on e-commerce platforms like Amazon yet. The headphones in question today are the Edifier H850. They are over-ear wired headphones and I absolutely love them. And if you're in the market for one too, here's why you should probably consider buying one. First off, they are built out of very lightweight materials, primarily plastic and fiber. Even though it's plastic and you can definitely tell that it's plastic, I mean no one's getting fooled by this chrome finished back, but that's not to say that it doesn't feel good in your hand or around your head. In fact, I like the choice of plastic over a denser polymer because plastic is very lightweight and is quite durable as well. I mean it's a headphone, not Thor's hammer, so it doesn't have to be super strong and heavy. Another plus point of using a flexible and lightweight material like plastic is the flexibility. The headband is very flexible and the ear cups also swivel. It's called a flat folding design apparently. I didn't know that. Anyway, this flexibility and the swiveling ear cups make this headphone very compact and easy to carry around. The headband adjustments are also quite tactile and they feel pretty good. These are definitely one of the more premium headphones that I've tried for this budget. As opposed to a traditional round ear cup, they have an elongated shape which matches better with your ears. I'm sure they have taken cues from likes of Sennheiser and Audio-Technica and it's very welcome. The end result is a design which doesn't look very obtrusive or bulky but still manages to cover your ears comfortably and stay there for a long time. Another much appreciated design choice is the detachable aux cable. I mentioned that this is a wired headphone and I'm okay with it. And I love the fact that you can detach this cable whenever you want and just hang the headphones around your PC or laptop without having to worry about tangling over the wires when you're not using them. There are stickers which clearly indicate which side should go into the headphone and which side should plug into your audio device. And that has a lot to do with the nature of these headphones because these are meant to be over-ear monitors. These are essentially entry-level audiophile grade headphones meant for audio enthusiasts. The audio coming out of the 40mm drivers is crisp and full of life. And what's more, these headphones are apparently tuned by Phil Jones Pure Sound. Now who is Phil Jones? He was some kind of a big shot bass player back in the day who started his own company. They manufacture stuff like audio amplifiers, monitors and headphones like this. Interestingly, on their website, I found the exact same model, the H850, under a different brand name as PJ Bass or Phil Jones Bass. Now I don't know who owes royalties to whom or what's going on between the two companies, but the ones that are available on Amazon are under the brand name of Edifier, so we'll stick with that. The respectable 32 ohm impedance of these headphones make them very easy to drive even with your smartphone. And of course they come with a 1-inch adapter in the box, so if you already have your amplifier set up in your home, man, you can get some insane audio out of this. What I particularly liked about this was the cushion quality. Now there could have been a bit more cushion around the headband, but the ear cushions are really soft and very high quality. These are definitely the most comfortable headphones I've ever worn. So yes, these are going to be my daily driver choice whenever I want to put on an over-ear pair of headphones. Since they are studio monitors, their audio output can be easily maneuvered and manipulated as you want. And the fact that they remain super comfortable around your head all the time is pretty sweet as well. Well, there you go. Those are my thoughts on the Edifier H850 over-ear studio monitor headphones. Now if you are interested in buying these, you can get them for the low price of 2300 rupees. Well, yeah, it's not super low, but I already kind of mentioned that they are meant for audio enthusiasts. So if you're interested in actually getting serious about your headphone game and you want to invest in some serious hardware for a very less price, look no further than the H850s. They are a lot better than the competition like the bass-heavy Sonys and the JBLs of the world. And even though they are not wireless, and the wire does get in my way sometimes because I am used to the wireless convenience with all these truly wireless earbuds that I've tried, but simply plug it into your device, tune it with something like Viper for Android or PowerAmp if you're a non-root user, and they just completely disappear from your awareness, leaving fantastic audio behind. That's the way really high quality equipment should work. It should get out of the way and let you do what you want to do. And that's exactly what the H850s do. They give you uncompromising audiophile grade quality at a fraction of the price. So which headphones are you using now? Do you like the over-ear wired ones? Are you a wireless person or are you just happy with earphones? Let me know in the comments down below. There will also be a written review of the same headphone over at my blog dopetechfever.com, so if you would like to check that out, that would be much appreciated. There is a lot more content headed your way, so consider sticking around. I am trying to push out more content as I can. And with that, I'll see you next time. Cheers.